side of this story is how to make a paper airplane. Start with a piece of printer paper. Fold it the tall way. First, fold a third of the paper down. Next, take the top left corner of the part you already folded. You now fold it toward the center to form a triangle. Now do the same with the top right corner. This is the first step to make the nose or front of your airplane. Next, fold the top down. It should overlap the bottom of the triangle by about a finger width. Oliver jogged home after school, and he went straight to his office to do. Now take the overlap from the top of the triangle, fold it under the bottom. This helps keep the nose in place. Next, fold the whole paper in half with the fold triangle face in. The slant edges should line up evenly. This will become the wings. Fold the left wing out and press down along the dashed line. Now do the same with the right wing. Next, fold the outside edges of each wing a fingers wide. Press on. Then unfold the edges so they can stand up straight. They will help the airplane fly straight. Now lift the wing from the body so they are level in one another. Hooray! You have just made a paper airplane. Now send your new airplane flying. Which step comes first when making a paper airplane? Put a third of the paper down. Put the top left corner to form a triangle. Put the whole paper in half. I choose A. What helps keep the nose of the paper airplane in place? Line the slant edges up evenly. Fold the overlap under the bottom part that already folded. Be sure to top overlap the bottom by a finger wide. I choose B. Why do you need to unfold the edges of the wings so they stand up? They help the plane fly straight. They help make sure the plane's wings are even. They help keep airplane's body in place. Thanks, Oliver, they said. I choose A. What do you need to do before you fly a paper airplane? To make sure the wings are lower than the body. To make sure the wings are higher than the body. To make sure the wings and the body are level with each other. I choose B. What is this book mostly about? How to make a paper airplane fly far. Different ways to make a paper airplane. One way to make a paper airplane. I choose C.
Click on the items with the red X and find a better answer to improve your score and earn more stars. Use the book as you take the quiz to help you find the best answer. When finished, click Done.
I got 4 correct. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.